Lub jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki sani to koro kwayo jombetre go mago mag piny Kenya mar mondo mi gitem gigo debe ne piny Kenya kaka pinyno mano mabende nitiere kod thuolo mag ohala kaachiel kod sectors mago mabende inyalo ketie mwandu e pacho kae kaluwore ni jombetre go ema nitiere kod ting' mano mar uso piny Kenya ne oganda mago ma oko. Weche maket koda mage ne owacho isach romo mano mar 19 mago mag jombetre romo no mano mabende ne bagi bore Nairobi kocha.
A lot of hope in you. You are the biggest human resource asset that we have to help the world partner with Kenya. Because this transformation we are talking about, we cannot do it by ourselves. Why? Because going into the future, we will, of course, have a role to play as a country. But more with the kind of resources we need, despite the strides we are making, we need investments, we need capital injection, not necessarily from donor money or money from other governments, but private sector investments. For example, the dream to the first world, initially we need 5 trillion. We will not raise the entire 5 trillion ourselves. We just need to raise a fraction and crowd in private investments.